So back again, how to make money from WhatsApp by Nananen. So on our list here, the number one way to make money from WhatsApp is you having your own product or services. What do we mean by that? Is to say use you can render to the community. Okay, now a product can be maybe if you have a shop, a physical shop in your area, all the items, all the goods in those physical shop can be sold online. All you need to do is to start snapping them, start writing about them, and start sharing them with your WhatsApp leads. I don't know if you're getting it, okay? So that is an example of products. Now, another product like we here on Nananen, we are mostly developer. So we are into website development, we are into app development, we are into CCTV installation, we are into car tracking, etc. and etc. Most of these things are services. Apart from being services, we have Nananen master courses. Okay, we also have some software we are selling to people. So all those things falls into both product and services. So assuming we want to make money from WhatsApp, all we need to is to promote our product and services across the entire WhatsApp users. Okay, so that is it. So this is number one, how to make money from WhatsApp. Make money from WhatsApp with your own product or services. Okay, so on the next video we are going to discuss on how to make money from products leveraging other people's products. Okay, for those who don't have a product, if you remember I told you WhatsApp even without having product or services, all you need to do is to subscribe to other people's product or services. Thank you so much. I really appreciate followers. We are driving on how to make money from WhatsApp live on Nananen.com. University of Nananen.com.